how can you start a free trial of Photoleap into your mobile phone? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to begin with the free trial, you just simply have to open your Photoleap application and log in with your account. And after logging in with your account, if you haven't subscribed to Photoleap, this Pro option will be appeared into the top right corner. Just simply tap to the Pro option, and after tapping into the Pro option, it will give you this page. Now you can check all the prices mentioned into this page and you can start a free trial for 7 days. Now you just simply have to tap to start free trial. Then after that, you just simply have to enter your credit card details into this page. And after doing that, tap to subscribe button. Just simply tap to subscribe and confirm that it's you who is subscribing to Photoleap. And after doing this very easy steps, the subscription will begin and you can easily use the free trial of Photoleap. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.